students, today I am going to teach you chapter 1 of class 2nd, numbers between 100 to 200. Students, first we are going to revise the number concept of 1 digit and 2 digits number. So let's begin. Now see students, this is number 8. Students, can you tell me what is the place value of 8? Wait. I think you don't know the meaning of place value. क्या आपको place value का मतलब पता है? नहीं? No problem. I am there to teach you. What is place value? In mathematics, every digit in a number has its own value, which is known as place value. मैथमेटिक्स में हर डिजिट का एक प्लेस होता है नंबर में, उस प्लेस को हम प्लेस वैल्यू कहते हैं. जो वैल्यू होती है उस वैल्यू को हम डिनोट करते हैं एज प्लेस वैल्यू. इज दिस क्लियर? नो? देन कम स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस with example. Now come a number 145 has 3 digits in it. How many digits are there in this number? See, 145, this comprises of 3 digits, that is 1, 4 and 5, right? Now come, let's come back to the question. What is the place value of 8? Students, the place value of digit 8 in the number 8 is ones, because there is only one digit in the number 8. Now let's come to another example. What is the place value of digit 6 in number 6? The place value of digit 6 in number 6 is ones. Why? Because इस नंबर 6 में ओनली 1 डिजिट अवेलेबल है. कितनी डिजिट? 1 डिजिट. सो स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज़ लर्न, याद करिए दैट अ नंबर हैविंग 1 डिजिट इन इट ऑलवेज हैव वंस एज इट्स प्लेस वैल्यू. एक नंबर जिसके अंदर सिर्फ एक ही डिजिट होती है उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू हमेशा वंस होती है. सो that is the reason due to which 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या थी? वंस. एंड 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या थी? वंस, राइट? सो स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज नोट डाउन दिस इन योर कॉपी that a number having 1 digit in it always have ones as its value. Now students, let's come to the place value concept in 2 digits number. Students, first you have to learn this, that there are 2 place values, tens and ones, in a 2 digits number. 2 digits numbers like 24, there are 2 digit number in number 24, right? सो उसमें जो प्लेस वैल्यू होती है उसमें वो होती है टेंस एंड वंस. वंस हम ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. इसमें क्या नया ऐड हुआ है? व्हाट न्यू इज एडेड इन इट? यस, टेंस इज एडेड इन इट. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस विद एन एग्जाम्पल. सपोज दिस इज द नंबर 24. हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर इन नंबर 24? यस, 2 डिजिट्स नंबर आर देयर in number 24. Now students, first of all we will put the place value, that is 4 के ऊपर above 4 we will write ones, and 2 के ऊपर above 2 we will write tens, or we can write capital O और capital T in short form, जैसे कि इस वीडियो में लिखा हुआ है, right? So students, I will ask you one question. What is the place value of 2 in 24? Yes, the place value of digit 2 in number 24 is tens. 2 के ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है? What is written above 2? Tens. तो place value of 2 क्या हुई? Tens. Now students, let's take another example. What is the place value of 3 in number 32? See, above 2 we wrote capital O and above 3 we wrote capital T. So what was the question? That what is the place value of 3 in number 3? 32. So the place value of 3 in number 32 is tens. Now students, can you tell me what is the place value of 2 in number 32? Yes, think of it. Write it down on your mathematics copy. Above 2 you will write capital O. Above 3 you will write capital T. Capital O means ones. Capital T means tens. So the place value of 2 in number 32 is ones. Because 2 के ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है? Capital O. So capital O means ones. Is that clear, students? Now students, I hope that you are clear with the place value concept of numbers in 1 and 2 digits number. Now we will start first topic of chapter 1, that is numbers between 100 to 200. So first of all students, you have to learn the concept of 3 digits number to understand this entire unit. So come students, let's begin. Concept of place value in 3 digits number. In a 3 digits number, there are 3 place values, that are hundreds, tens and ones. Students, can you tell me what, and can you tell me any example of 3 digit number? No? Oh, see, here it is. See, what was the name of the chapter? Numbers between 100 to 200. 100 में कितनी digit हैं? How many digits are there in 100? 3 digits. And see, how many digits are there in 200? 3 digits. So these are the 3 digits number. Now let's go again to the place value concept of 3 digits number. In a 3 digits number, there are 3 place values, hundreds, tens and ones. How many? 3 place value, and they are hundreds, tens and ones. Tens and ones we have already understood earlier. Tens and ones के बारे में हम already पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. Now students, in this 3 place value, which new one is added? Hundreds. Which one? Hundreds. Now we will understand this with an example. We have taken 104 as an example. Now can you tell me how many digits are there in 3 digits in this number? Yes, 3 digits. How many? 3 digits are there in this number. Now students, take your mathematics copy in your hand and your pencil as well. Now in one block write 1, in another block write 4, in another block write 0, and in third block write 4. Okay, I am again repeating. In your first block write 1, in your second block write 0, in your third block write 4. Now students, above 4 you will write capital O, above 0 you will write capital T, and above 1 you will write capital H. Students, earlier only I have told you that capital O means ones, capital T means tens, and capital H, which is new for you, means hundreds. What is the meaning of capital H here? Hundreds. So students, can you tell me what is the place value of 1 in number 104? Yes, the place value of 1 in number 104 is hundreds. Now students, come to another example. What is the place value of 1 in number 126? Now take your pencil in your hand and write down. In first block you will write 1. In second block you will write 2. In third block you will write 6. Now above 6 you will write capital O. Above 2 you will write capital T. And above 1 you will write capital H. Now tell me, what is the place value of 1 in number 126? Yes, the place value of 1 in number 126 is hundreds. Now students, again do this question in your copy. What is the place value of 1 and 6 in number 167? Students, write down. In first block you will write 1. In second block you will write 6. And in third block you will write 7. Above 7 you will write capital O. Above 6 you will write capital T. And above 1 you will write capital H. So, the place value of 1 in number 167 is hundreds, and the place value of 6 in number 167 is tens. Is it clear, students? Now students, there is an important thing that you have to learn. एक important चीज़ है जो आपको याद करनी है. That is, to write a number name of a 3 digits number, we always write the 100 place first, then tens and ones places together. जब भी हम 3 digit के नंबर का नंबर नेम लिखते हैं, तब सबसे पहले we will write hundreds, then we will write tens and ones together. Students, अगर आपने ये ऑडियो ध्यान से सुनी हो तो जहाँ पर 3 digits नंबर आ रहे थे, आई वॉज सेइंग लाइक 126, राइट, एंड ऑल्सो इन दिस 167. तो आपने क्या सुना था कि मैं हंड्रेड्स पहले बोल रही हूँ एंड टेंस एंड वंस बाद में बोल रही हूँ. तो यही चीज़ आपको 3 digits के नंबर नेम लिखते समय ध्यान रखनी है. नाउ let's understand this with example. Write the number name of 126. So students, you can see in the solution it is written 126. Students, you have to do this in your mathematics classwork copy. Okay. Now let's take another example. Write the number name of 108. स्टूडेंट्स, आप इसमें क्या देख रहे हो कि एक नंबर ज़ीरो है, राइट. 1 के बाद वाला नंबर ज़ीरो है, मतलब टेंस का कोई भी नेम नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 है और 8 है, राइट. सो वी विल राइट 108. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ऐसे ही फॉर एग्जाम्पल 101 का क्या होगा? 101. ऐसे ही 102 का क्या होगा? 102, and so on. After that, take another example. Write the number name of 190. Now here, what do you see? That the last digit of the number is 0. That is ones is 0. So it means कि ये दो मिला के क्या बनते हैं? 90 means 90, right? So the number name will be 190. ऐसे ही students listen very carefully. 180 means 180. जहाँ भी टेंस के बाद ज़ीरो आता है उसमें we'll write like 90, 80, 60, 50. Is that clear? Now students, let's take another example. Write the number name of 100. See students, यहाँ पर tens and ones की जगह ज़ीरो है, राइट, मतलब देयर इज ओनली वन नंबर, सो 100 ओनली. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट वाज योर चैप्टर नेम? 100 to 200. तो 200 में हाउ मेनी जीरोज वर देयर? 200. सो टेंस और वंस वहाँ भी ज़ीरो थे, दैट्स वाई इट वॉज 200. इज दैट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? For today students, your homework is to write number names of the following numbers in your classwork copy. First number is 8, second number is 34, third number is 96 and the fourth number is 72. Okay students? Students, make sure that you do your homework at your home, and we have completed the basic concept of this chapter. I will be back soon with my next video to provide you the solution of exercise 1.1. Till then students, bye bye, take care and do study at home.